What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm on Swagbucks. I'm going to do a cash out. In this video, I'm really going to show you how you can turn $21.75 into $25. Like it's literally, true. Like it's that simple. You're going to have $21.75 and I'm going to show you how to make it $25. But before I do that, I'm going to show you like what I do making money on this. Like you see here, congratulations, your search just earned 6 Swagbucks. And all you gotta do is, like, when you on this site, you see this search bar at the top. All you gotta do is search something. All I did was search something random, Michael Johnson, and I got 6 Swagbucks for that. And so when you do that, all you do is put the code in right here. Put that in, and you'll see my balance. It will jump up because right here I have $23.58, but that's really over $25. Like I'm gonna show you that towards the end of the video. I'm gonna click claim Swagbucks. And you'll see my balance jump up right there, 6 Swagbucks. So every Swagbuck is equivalent to 1 penny. You see here the daily goal. If I get 40 Swagbucks, I'll get 3 extra ones. So let me see where I am right now. My daily goal, I got 22 so far. I was just kind of playing around with a little different stuff on the website. So I'm halfway there to my goal. It's only 3 Swagbucks, but you're just getting paid to make money. That's all it is when it comes to stuff like that. So let me show you what I do in making money on this site. I'm gonna go back to the home page. And I'm also going to cash out in this site as well. But I make the majority of my money on this site with the surveys. And like they're literally not difficult to do. They're very easy. And you see here, these surveys don't take a lot of time. This is the home page. You just go through and, you'll kind of see, the different surveys that they have. And you see here, let me see if I can show you right here. 5-minute survey is what it says, kind of fall off the page. But 5-minute survey, 1,500 Swagbucks. Now that's not something that everybody's going to qualify for, but it is definitely worth the try, because even if you don't qualify for it, you're still going to get something. They're still going to pay you this qualification point. So like when I take surveys, no, I don't qualify for all of them, but I at least attempt them and I get this qualification points, and that helps build my balance. So even when I'm not qualified for surveys, I'm still making money. Because there's so many people, and when they don't qualify for surveys, they just give up and they just go about the business. And you got to use these sites. You got to really grind out in these surveys and really start with the ones that are going to give you these qualification points. That way, you're still getting something for your time, and you can still work towards a cash out. I mean, it's nothing more frustrating than being on a site, trying all these surveys, and not qualifying for any of that. And before you know it, a whole hour has passed by and you haven't made any money with it. So Swagbucks will not do you like that. Like I said, the surveys aren't difficult, but on top of that, even if you disqualify, you're going to get disqualification points. So just going back over here, you go to answer, and they also have a daily goal, which I've already done today. You just click on daily poll, and you just go there, and it just show you one question. You just click on whatever you think is the answer, and you'll get paid 1 Swagbuck for that. These are all the surveys they have. Some of them on the homepage, some of them are not. You see here, 1-minute survey, 2 Swagbucks. They have surveys like that all the time. I mean, you're pretty much guaranteed to qualify for something this low for this amount of time. And then you kind of scroll down, you see they have lots of surveys. Like, let me just scroll down here so I can show you the amount of surveys that they have on here. Lots of different surveys, and like I said, a lot of them, you see here, these 7, 8-minute, 9-minute surveys don't even take a long time. They're still gonna give you a good amount of Swagbucks for your time. So I mean, I'm still scrolling down all of these surveys. Just go through and attempt as many as you can. Like I said, you're going to get this qualification point, so you're going to get something for your time. And then see, as you get towards the bottom, some of them are higher amounts of time, but like I tell you guys all the time, it really just depends on how fast you are at answering questions. Like, look here, this survey right here, 15 minutes, 106 Swagbucks. But you can probably get it done in like 10 minutes if you're fast answering questions. So I mean, just go through and just grind out as many surveys as you can, as many as you have time for. They also have a watch. You can watch videos. If you go here, they also have an app where you can watch videos. I use the app from time to time to let my videos play, but you can watch videos in this section here. Just click on watch. It kind of show you different playlists that you can watch videos on. You get paid Swagbucks for that. You see here things like this. You got the take a discovery break, where you just watch a certain amount of videos, and every time those videos get done, you get 2 Swagbucks, things like that. So I mean, it's not a lot of money in the videos, honestly, but if you're just trying to make your way, if you're like probably, I would say 10 Swagbucks away from a cash out, it's probably a good time to do some videos, just kind of work your way towards the cash out, getting closer to that. So like I said, most of my money comes from the surveys. They do have offers that you can do, free offers, things like that. You're more than welcome to do those. But for me personally, I really just grind out in the surveys. I do offers from time to time, and while I'm doing my surveys, I let videos play. So I'm constantly making money, and I'm constantly cashing out. And I have so many Swagbucks, cash out videos. So let me show you real quick how you can really make that $25. So I'm gonna go over here to rewards. And the thing about this site that I love is they have discount rewards. So you see here, you see on sale rewards, right? All of these things that are on sale, just click on view all. They're all offering you for a discounted rate. So you see here, I can get a Visa $25 reward card. All I got to give them is $21.75, 2,175 Swagbucks to get 13% off. All of these in this section have discounts. A 50 reward card, 49. 4,900 Swagbucks, $15, $100. All of these have discounts. So, what I recommend is going on here first on this site on sale part and find out, if it's something you like on here that's on sale. That way you don't have to give all your Swagbucks. So you need, like, if you want $25, I would recommend going to the Visa gift card and getting $25 that way. Or you can do the PayPal and give all your 25, 100 Swagbucks, whatever works for you. But the Visa gift cards, you can use them just like cash. A lot of people buy things online. I know me personally, I buy a lot of things online, and that's what you use the Visa gift cards for, buying things online, whether it's, groceries or something on Amazon, just whatever it is, you can pay a bill online. You can always use that Visa gift card. So that's why I like it in doing that regard. So let me go ahead and cash out real quick. I'm going to get this $25 Visa gift card. I'm going to click on that. And it'll show me that right there. Just kind of some information showing me my discount, things like that. I'm gonna click on claim gift card, and then after I click on claim gift card, my address and all that stuff is gonna pop up. So let me pause that real quick and click on that. It's gonna ask you to confirm your address, all that kind of good stuff. It'll always be there. Just click continue. So I'm gonna click continue right here. And then there it is. $25 reward card is on its way. All I gotta do is verify by email or security questions. So I'm gonna do that. But you see here the balance went down. So right after I verify, they're gonna go out to send it. It'll probably take 3 business days for it to get here, but that's not a big amount of deal. So there it is. I'm getting $25 and I still have money in my account. You see, I didn't even have 2,500 Swagbucks and I still got money left over. So that's how you do it. What I'm saying? Just look at the on sale rewards, go from there. Of course, they have other gift cards. They have lots of different restaurants. They have the main ones. They have PayPal. They have Amazon. So there's something on here that you like. I was just showing you how you can, make your money stretch, if you will, by going to the on sale rewards, doing the Visa gift cards, and they got other things in there that are on sale. So I would always take a look at those first, just to see if it's something in there that you like. That way you can get a discount on it and, like I said, make your money stretch. So I highly recommend you guys use this site. I've been using this site for years. I have so many cash out videos on this site. I've literally made thousands with this site. So I highly recommend you guys sign up with the link in the description. Get started, create a free account, verify your email, verify your account, all that good stuff, and just start making money. Jump right into the search box. Just search some stuff. You'll get paid for your searches. You might have to do, a few of them before you actually, receive Swagbucks. Go through and do some of those surveys. I will tell you from time to time, they do have bonus on surveys. So if you're taking a survey, like a bonus would be like 25 extra Swagbucks. Like you might do a 5-minute survey for 75 Swagbucks, but they're offering you a 50 Swagbuck bonus. So you're basically doing that 5-minute survey for 125 Swagbucks. They do that from time to time. So you gotta kind of catch up on that. I do have videos showing you some of the bonuses that they offer, because when they offer bonuses on the surveys, they offer bonuses on every single survey. That's the really good thing. So those bonus days, really grind out in that survey. That way you can really double your money. It's such a good way for me to, make money on this site. That's how I really get my balance so fast. When it's doubled, on those surveys, I'm really grinding out. Like I spend a couple hours on this site when it's, days like that. So like I said, the link is in the description for you to sign up, get started today. And always remember, every penny counts.